Hi everyone, good afternoon. Assalamualaikum. I'm your teacher Fatini. I would like to continue with the next chapter in your workbook, Math 4B, which is adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, now I'm going to show you the location of the chapters that what we are going to do today. Before this, we have finished with chapter 8, fractions, all of it. Okay, in this video, I will be covering chapter 9, addition and subtraction of fraction, practice 1, addition fractions. Okay, page 27. Now we will look at page 27. Okay, this is what you're going to do. This is the practice that you're going to do. Practice 1 is adding fraction. Okay, this one. Besides that, you will also learn how to do this one, and also this one. Okay, let's start with adding fraction. For adding fractions, I categorize it into two columns. So the first column, the method of how to add fraction if the denominators are the same. What are the denominators here? The number below. Okay, 3. This one, if the denominators are the same. For this one, if the denominators are not the same. Alright, let's do one example for if the denominators are the same. For this one, okay, this is mixed fraction. You have to convert it into improper fraction. How do you convert it? 1 times 3 plus 2. Darab bawah tambah atas. Okay, 1 times 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Okay, for this one, you just plus this one, this number. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equals to 7. For denominators, you don't have to plus. You just take the original number, 3. You don't plus 3 plus 3, 6. No. Okay, you only plus the upper numbers. Alright. What about if the denominators are not the same? How do you do this? Okay, if the denominators are not the same, for example, I give 7 over 2 plus 2 over 4. Okay, this one you have to make sure that the denominators are the same. Okay, how do you make the denominators are the same? This one, you find a multiplication table for number 2 that you can make it equal to 4. For example, what times 2 equals to 4? 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 7 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 equals to 4. Thus, this one needs 2 times 2 as well. 7 times 2 equals to 14. 2 times 2 equals to 4. Okay, for this one, you just copy 2 over 4. Alright, since the denominators are the same, now you can plus the upper numbers. 14 plus 2 equals to 16 over 4. Okay, like that. Another method for this one, if the denominators are not the same. Second example, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Okay, you have to make the denominators equal, the same number. Now, what times 2 equals to 3? No, there is no number in multiplication table that you can multiply with 2 to make it equal to 3. So, alright, for example, 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, there's no 3 here. So there's no 3 at all. So what you can do is, when you cannot make this number equals to this number, you have to multiply this one with this one. 2 times 3, 1 times 3. This one you have to multiply with this one. 3 times 2, 1 times 2. Okay, so 1 times 3 equals to 3. 2 times 3 equals to 6. 1 times 2 equals to 2. 3 times 2 equals to 6. Okay. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now 6, you just copy. The denominators shouldn't plus the denominators. You just copy. So the answer is 5 over 6. Now practice. Practice is available in your book for this one. Example. Alright, let me get a pencil. For example, I want you to do page 27 and also 28. This one. We will do together. For example, this one. Okay. 11 over 2 plus 5 over 6. Now you have to make these denominators equal. So what times 6 equals to 12? 6 times 2. 5 also needs to times 2. So 11 over 12 plus 10 over 12. So 11 plus 10 equals to 21 over 12. Okay. Make sure the denominators are the same. Make sure it is the same. Okay, for this one, since the denominators are equal, you don't have to make it equal anymore. You have to just plus 7 plus 8, 15. So here is 15 over 11. Okay, now you do this practice as well. Very easy. Okay, if the question asks you like this one, there are 3 numbers. Okay, 3, 6 and also 6. You have to change 3 to make it equal to 6, which is by multiplying with 2. So this one also 2. So it will be like this: 1 over 6 plus 4 over 6 plus 1 over 6, which is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 1, 6 over 6. Okay, now you do the rest. Alright, thank you.